Hey friends, if you wish to get more display resolution options on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Okay. Go to the display tab on the list on the left hand side and select display. You'll see a lot of resolutions here, but then thereafter scroll down and click on advanced display, and then you can click on display adapter properties for Windows, and then you can go to monitor. So you can go to properties. Okay, list all modes, and in list all modes you'll see that there are a hell lot of display options here. Okay, so there are countless. You can get almost every display resolution for every frequency here. Simply click on it, click on apply, then on OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.